Hello viewers, welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. Today we are going to do sausage rolls. What do we need for sausage rolls? Of course, you need your puff paste, which is frozen already, and I defrosted it already. And we need our means, which is it's like 400 grams of beef means. Then we need onions. Onions, you need just a handful of chopped onions. Then you need a handful of chopped carrots and some crushed garlic, like 20 grams of crushed garlic, and of course your salt. Just put enough, like 10 grams of salt or 5 grams of salt, or yes. Then some green pepper, then cheese, but cheese you can put as well, mix. Then here is some lemon juice, some cayenne pepper, and some barbecue spice. I just put a little salt because the barbecue spice have got some you've got salt also. Then what do you need? You need chives for our cheese and chives combination. Finely chopped. Then some parsley, fresh parsley, finely chopped also. Yes. And what do we do next? Then we mix everything. We're going to make sausage rolls. This is pure beef. I can use my hand so that it's well mixed because I want it. Because you can cook the carrots also, but me, I like them like this. I don't want to bake them a little because I fine chop them so they will be well cooked. So you take your cheese, because we don't want our cheese to be crushed before we bake. So we just blend it in so that when we are baking, our cheese can bake nicely. And there is our meat. Then we roll our puff pastry. We roll our puff pastry. easy. Easy like this. Then you get a plastic. So what we're gonna use this same plastic, we're gonna use it. Then we put our means. In our plastic. So it's just to make it well pressed nicely. Give it a nice press because we want it to bind nice. Then we take our egg wash, we put. So what do? We roll. So what do we do next? We cut the ends just to make it even and nice. So what do? We repeat the same process because we still have enough means. Just to give it a nice press. Put our egg wash. As easy as it goes. So we have our two giant, the two, they call them two main size sausage rolls. Then we have a small one there. What do? We do the same. We put in. We're gonna make it thinner, a little bit smaller, so that it's we do the same. We put our egg wash.
we go. So these ones will make them mini sausage roll. So what you do, you just cut. It's like cocktail stuff. There we go. Then you take your pan. This it's non-stick. You put in. You lay it. Then you bake 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Afterwards, then you egg wash completely. Make sure it's well covered in egg wash. And then after this, then they are ready for baking. 160, 180 for 20 to 25 minutes. Because 160 maybe because the small ones will be baked that time. Then they need to come out before the big ones. So just to be safe, you can start 180 for 20 minutes and you check. Then this is all what you have to do. Then it's ready for baking. Then after that, I will show you in the next episode a baked main size sausage roll and cocktail rolls. So you see how you make it easy as it goes. Just your minced meat, whatever your preference is, your meat, but it must be minced. Then you mix all the stuff that we did. Then it's ready for baking. Then after that, I will show you a baked man-sized sausage roll and cocktails. That's all what we have for now for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all our socials. And the competition is still ongoing. What you have to do, subscribe on YouTube, take a screenshot, post it on our Facebook, Baking with Chef Tonde. That's all in the comment section. Then month end, the competition will have a draw. Then we see our winner. Thank you, maitabasa, tinotenda, siyabonga, magwira ntchito, tizobonana pa next episode. Resident Chef signing out.